Hello and welcome to another phonics lesson. This is week 2 and this is the lesson for phonics 2. Today I'm glad to tell you that we are going to learn about the letter B. This is the big B and this is the small b. Now to start our lesson, I need to first correct something here a little bit, so bear with me. Let me draw something here. Let me draw this 1, 2. And let me draw this 2 boxes, right? So what is number 1? What is number 2? What is number 3? Number 1 is a ball. But what about number 2? It's a balloon. How about number 3? This box here. That box is big. Now, sometimes, because we've just come from kindergarten, we cannot quite remember how to write the letters. What do I mean? Sometimes instead of writing ball, people will write doll. Instead of writing balloon, people will write dalloon. Instead of writing big, people will write dig. Have you ever made this mistake? If you have, don't worry. This is going to go away with time. Now, as you can see my 2 words, these 3 words are not the same. This is D, this is D, and this is D, not the same. So how do you remember how to write the small b especially? You write a big B, sorry, you will write a 1, bear with me, you write a 1 and a 0 on your right side. That's how you write a B. But if you want to write a D, you will write a 1 and a 0 on your left side. Now, as we have seen today, we don't want to learn about D. We want to learn about letter B. Do you understand? All right, so I'm going to have to close this so that we can go and see what other topic we have. I will go to my unit. What do I have today, Teacher Abby? I have letter B. Letter B, letter B. So as we can see, sorry, last week we learned that the letter A makes 2 sounds, the A and the A and A. But we learned about the short one, which is A. Today, it's this. Can we practice saying the letters and their sound?
Ba, ba, ba,
Ba,
ba, ba, ba, ba, ba.
ba. Do you understand? Now, let's go to practice. When we look at these 2 pictures, I know for a fact that this one is an ant and this one is a bed. So they say dress. Dress. This is the language you're going to hear in your book.
A,
A, ant.
ba,
Ba,
ba.
bed. We understand? So if I should erase this one very quickly, and let's go and see a small activity on what to do. Here, it says, listen and match. We want to get these letters and put them in these missing boxes. Again,
A,
Ah, which of these pictures begins with a? It's the ant. So I'll get
A.
and put it here.
A. A. Ant. A. A. Ant.
Then this is B. So we shall get
B. B. Bed. B. 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 Bed.
you understand? Ba, bed, a, ant. So which other pictures begin with B? We saw the balloon, right? What else? A boy, big, blue, broccoli. What else? So many words. Now, when you come back at school, we shall be having a game where everyone will have to listen to the sound and match on the picture that they think the letter makes. Okay? So I will see you guys in the next lesson. Not in the next lesson, in the next activity. And I hope you guys have understood. Remember, today's letter was B, 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 B.